Today, let's make an easy and tasty burger at home. Heat the pan and add a little oil. Place the burger patty and cook on both sides until golden. Mayonnaise and tomato ketchup to make a sauce. Slice cucumber and tomato for the filling. Cut the burger bun into two halves. In the pan, add butter and lightly toast the bun halves. Spread the prepared sauce on the bottom bun. Add cucumber slices, tomato slices, and a slice of cheese. Add another layer of cucumber and tomato. Spread sauce on the top bun and place it on top. Cover the pan and cook on low flame until the cheese melts. Open the lid. Your delicious homemade burger is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.